Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a farewell letter to a friend. What is a farewell letter to a friend? A farewell letter to a friend is a heartfelt and personal message written by one friend to another who is about to leave or has already left for a significant period or has moved away. It is a way to express one's emotions, share memories, and convey well wishes to the departing friend. This type of letter often includes reminiscences of shared experiences, expressions of gratitude and love, and hopes for the future. Farewell letters to friends are typically warm, sincere, and reflective of the unique bond between the writer and the recipient. They serve as a means to maintain the connection, and express support even when physical distance separates the friends. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an informal farewell letter to a friend step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name. And write your home address. You can also give your phone number and email address. And then, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the recipient's full name. Under it, write the recipient's home address. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. So, in this example, the letter is from Enid Sinclair to Wednesday Addams. After that, you can open the letter with a salutation. You can write "Dear" followed by the name of your friend. In the first paragraph, after beginning with a warm and personal salutation, you can start to express your emotions and gratitude for the friendship. You can use vivid paradox or even hyperbole, since it is an informal letter. Just be yourself when you write it, so your friend knows that it is you writing. For example, as I sit down to write this letter, a tidal wave of memories rushes through my mind, and my heart swells with gratitude for the extraordinary friendship we've shared. And then, you can also mention the reason for writing the farewell letter and the friend's departure. In this example, Enid writes a farewell letter since Wednesday moved to Los Angeles. So, she writes, "Today, I find myself bidding you farewell as you continue your journey in the mystical streets of Los Angeles." Sure, you can copy this if you don't know what to write. In the second paragraph, it will be good if you share heartfelt memories and experiences you've had together. Remember, informal letter has no strict format, so you can modify it as you like. In this example, Enid writes, "Our bond, formed amidst the quirky charm of Jericho, Vermont, has been nothing short of magical." And you can continue by mentioning those unforgettable experiences or memories with your friend. This will make your friend smile when he or she reads the letter. For example, as, "From our enchanting adventures to the eerie tales we spun late into the night, you've brought a unique kind of warmth to my life that's hard to put into words." Sure, you can mention more than one. You can pick the silly moments, fun journey, or even stupid little things you did with your friend. Feel free. And the third paragraph, it must be exciting that you also try to highlight the unique qualities and traits of your friend. Your friend is moving, so he or she may be little lonely there. You need to tell your friend that your friendship will last forever and ever. So your friend knows how much she or he meant for you. For example, as, "I want you to know that the distance between Jericho and Los Angeles will never dim the light of our friendship." Tell your friend how your journey with your friend is your favorite. And you will always remember them to give color to your life. For example, as, "It will continue to burn brightly in my heart, reminding me of the extraordinary connection we've had." It is fine if you write it like a poem to make it sound beautiful. Once again, just be yourself. Your friend will enjoy reading it as long as you are being honest and being yourself. If the first 3 paragraphs you talked about your memories with your friend, the rest paragraphs are where you talk about future. Here, you can express your wishes and hopes for their future endeavors. For example, as you step into this new chapter of your life, I have no doubt that you'll continue to cast your enchantment on everyone you meet, just as you've done with me. And you can emphasize the enduring nature of your friendship and how it will persist despite the distance. You can write something like, "Your captivating spirit is bound to leave a mark on the city of angels." It will be more beautiful if you use vivid language and anecdotes to make it personal and touching. For example, "While I won't be there in person to share in your adventures, please remember that my thoughts and well wishes are with you always." Tell your friend that your friendship will be as strong as now. You never know what your friend will face in the future, it may be hardships. By mentioning that your friendship is strong, you are telling your friend that you will always be there when they need you. So, you may write, "The cosmos may have separated us by miles, but our friendship remains as unbreakable as the most potent spells." And for the last paragraph, you can reiterate your well wishes and support for your friend. Mention how you'll carry the memories with you. Yes, it is best to leave a lasting, positive impression. For example as, "Until we meet again, my dear Wednesday. I hope your life continues to be a tapestry of the extraordinary, filled with laughter, magic, and the kind of friendship that transcends all boundaries." And finally, for the closing part, use a warm closing. They can be, "With heartfelt warmth," or, "With love and friendship," followed by your full name. So, that's how you write an informal farewell letter to friends step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon, my bestie.